REDARC has made it easier than ever to choose the perfect mobile power system for your van. Introducing our Weekend Ready Kit. Ideal for short getaways and those just getting into van life. If you enjoy a day trip or even a few days off grid, then the Weekend Ready Kit is for you. Offering reliable power to keep your essential electronics running, this kit is perfect for camping, fishing, hunting and remote adventure. Choosing this kit means no more guessing what you need. The 50 amp BCDC Alpha battery charger will charge your secondary battery while driving, and with green power priority, your solar power will be utilised first. The kit features our smart battery monitor and TVMS Rogue with a colour display, providing control and monitoring at all times, so you can feel confident your drinks will be cold and lights on throughout the weekend. The included Pure Sine Wave Inverter allows you to stay connected and comfortable with the ability to power Starlink and small household appliances. Utilise the power of the sun and connect a couple of our 180 watt fixed solar panels to make sure you're always 100% charged. This kit provides full control over every part of your system. Monitor your battery status through the display or RedVision app, allowing you to focus on more important things like relaxing. Your system can be customised by selecting the wiring kit for your vehicle. We recommend 100 to 150 amp hours of lithium batteries to provide power you need to run your essentials. Whether you enjoy camping by the beach, exploring off-grid trails, or just looking to escape the city for a few days, this kit offers the power you need to stay comfortable, connected and powered up. Experience the freedom of van life by visiting the REDARC website to start building your Weekend Ready kit and make every adventure more enjoyable.